Thanks for joining. This is part 5 of the ex-fire truck Overlander build. It's a International 1963 C1300 4x4. This far of stripping the interior. It's quite a mission. I think because of the precise way that all this wood has been put in. I mean, you can even see, look, it's even gone inside here, and I've had to cut all the way up and around. I think that they put these panels in and then put the roof on, because the roof is a cap. The whole thing is a cap that's put on and is riveted all the way around. I think you can see, let me show. You see here, it's riveted all the way around. So I've had to cut all these pieces of wood to try and remove it all. And what's really annoying is I wanted to keep this section because I wanted it to come out here. I was going to use this piece, drop it down, just slot into that, and then it would carry on from here, and that would be one nice piece, and that was going to be the rear bed, and then I could just have a garage sort of thing at the back here, and this underneath, so I could even have drawers that slide out. But not only is there two enormous pipes sticking out, there's another two here, and also there's another huge one underneath. I don't think the one underneath is like this. It might be, I don't know. But what a pain. For those that want to know why it's got so many pipes going through, because it's obviously got them under there, there's the other two. You fill it from here, and there was a pipe that went there, so you fill it through there. The reels, which are over there, those are in here, either side. One here, one there, still. Okay. And the water was delivered up through these ones. and then the big one underneath is to drain it. That's what all the pipes are for. No, the one underneath was for the pump at the front. So it fed the one at the front. Look how precise this joinery is. It's absolutely perfect all the way around. There's hardly a gap anywhere. I mean, I can't even move this because it goes up. The sides of the truck go up, so I have to move this backboard before I do that. And this is I thought, because there's a partition bit here open, that I just slide it out, but no. Well, after removing that huge panel, that plate on the bottom, luckily these are screwed in, and they're just wood panels, so I can just take those out individually, and I think, hopefully, and it should be much easier. Well, I finally got everything out. That's all the wood. The partition side of things. Here are the seats. And that is the water tank. And that water tank put up a bit of a fight to come out, I must admit. It was bolted down with those straps that went over it, and of course all the bolts underneath, all the fixing points were rusty. There's a huge union joint underneath there, which I then had to cut out because I couldn't bring it through, and all the partition had to come out, really, apart from these little bits, just so I could remove it. But yeah, Now these bits are left because that's going to be the bed all the way to the end. It's a good sized bed. And then there's going to be storage all the way through this, and then storage all the way there. So it's a good space, it's a good size. That's where I need to cut. You can see where it's been folded down. Well, that is a steel sheet they put up there, because the rest of this is aluminium, and that steel sheet, it was because of the roof rack and for structural. But yeah, next stage. This is the inside with me in it. There's two of these. Actually quite handy for little seats inside to move around. And the cockpit is full of tools and stuff mainly. This was the first thing I cleaned up really. Cleaned up the dash and all the clocks. And yeah, it's all nice and clean in here. Got to deal with that. Also you've got to place another piece of wood in there. And then there's a couple of bits either side where the hoses went down. All the door panels of all the shutters and everything, they've all got to come off, so I can clean up on the inside of the doors, sound deaden them, and maybe insulate them. I only had one set of keys for this truck, so I put an ad on the Facebook group that I go to, and some guy sent me a link to eBay, and I managed to get a couple. But this key here is for the the petrol cap, and I don't have another one of those, which I'd like to try and get hold of. So if anybody knows if there's a blank one of those lying about, that'd be great. From episode 6, I've got a tripod, and I'm doing more videoing and a bit more talking and stuff like that. So I'm trying to grow the channel. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I really appreciate you watching, and I'm going to try and bring these out weekly. Thanks.